Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be assembling a full headboard. It's going to have a footboard and it has the frame. This bed is in a size full and it is for my teenage son. It came in the color black and this is how it looks after I unboxed it. So you're looking at the headboard cushion, and when you unzip the back of the headboard cushion, it has all of the parts that you're going to need for assembly. This was a fairly easy project for me. It would be helpful to have two people. So my son and I actually worked to put this together. But in case you need to look at the instructions, there are 5 easy steps. So we are now ready to get started. So you'll start by with the headboard cushion, and then we're going to be attaching the headboard leg. Now when you see R, that will stand for right, and when you see L, that will stand for left. So I'm just gathering everything. I like to get organized. I like to look at the different pieces to make sure everything has arrived, because when I read the reviews, some people were missing parts. Well, that seems to be the case always with anything that you order online. I haven't had that issue. As a matter of fact, if anything, I usually have an abundance of, especially like the screws that go with the furniture. So I seem to have everything. These are the tools that you're going to need and the screws and washers. So it looks like we're ready to get started. So this is, like I said, the back of the headboard cushion, and I'm just going to attach that headboard leg. So that's the right side, and then obviously the left side. So this was really easy. Again, I was able to do this by myself, and I used the screws that came with it. So usually they're going to fall in the same pattern. It's going to be a screw, a spring washer, and a flat washer. And I won't show you when I screw every single screw in, but as we work on different sections, I'll let you see pretty much how I did at least one screw. So like I said, you've got a screw, a spring washer, and a flat washer. And we'll just attach these legs now. When you're doing assembly, always remember righty-tighty to turn to the right to tighten your screw, and lefty-loosey whenever you're trying to take a screw out or remove a screw. So this goes in fairly easily. And once I get the legs attached, then we are going to be ready to move on to the next step. So in step 2, we're going to be working on what they call the foot cushion of the bed. So this is just, again, me showing you that I've got those headboard legs on. That's the right side. And I'll let you take a look over. This is the left side. So that went on with no problem. So this is the foot cushion that's going to go obviously at the foot of the bed. And we're going to need to attach what they call the footboard legs to the foot cushion. So again, I didn't have any problems with this step. I used the Allen wrench that came with it, and I used the legs that came with it. Didn't have any problem locating either of those pieces. There was one long screw that went in one hole, and then there was also what they refer to as the wooden dowel that went in the other hole. So again, those legs went on with no problem. So we're now ready to move on to the side rail. And so far, I've been able to do all of this by myself. We're halfway through this, and I'm now on step 3. So the side rails come in. They're going to be 2 side rails for each side. You're going to connect them with the screw, and in the middle, they'll have the side rail support leg. That's this black piece that is going to connect the 2 side rails. So this is how it looks once you have all of your screws in place. And again, had no trouble. I just put them side by side and then connected them with that support leg, added the screws, the washers, and no problem. So I'm just letting you have a look. So far we've assembled the headboard cushion, the footboard cushion, and those side rails. So now I'm looking at my son's room. I'm kind of getting ready to move some pieces there because we're now on step 4 and we're going to start putting this frame together. So at this point, this is when he came in to actually build the bed. And I wasn't able, it took both of us. I didn't have my tripod, but I can kind of talk you through. So all you're going to do is attach the side rail to the headboard with screws, and then you'll attach the foot cushion with screws. Once you do that, then you'll put those slats in, which are the wooden boards, across, and then you will attach legs to that. The slats have legs, and we had to end up using my power drill to drill those slats into the frame of the bed. They come with screws, and I don't know if you could have used a regular screwdriver, but I just used my power drill. But that was it. After that, we put the box spring on, and so far he has been sleeping in his bed for a week. He absolutely loves it, has no problem. He's 17 years old, over 6 feet tall, and he absolutely is enjoying the bed. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for joining me for yet another assembly project. Again, I will leave the link in the description box below. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Take care, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.